my wonderful viewers, welcome to my channel. The topic we have on the board today is division of polynomials, and we are going to be solving this question on the board today. Solution. We are given x cubed minus 5x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 8 divided by x minus 1. We are asked to find the remainder. So we are asked to use this to divide this. So x minus 1, we then divide x raised to the power of 3 minus 5x squared plus 3x plus 8. So this is our divisor and this is our dividend. So we are, first of all, we use this x to divide this x cubed. X divided by x cubed will give you x squared. Now we are going to use this x squared to multiply this x, giving us x cubed. Then at this point we'll use this x squared to multiply this negative 1. So that is negative x squared. Then at this point we'll subtract x cubed subtracted by x cubed will give you 0. Then minus 5x minus x raised to the power of 2 will give you minus 4x squared. How? Because minus 5x minus x squared minus will give you plus. So minus 5 plus x will give you minus 4x. Then we'll bring this one down to the plus 3x and the plus 8. Then we'll now use this x to divide this minus 4x raised to the power of 2. So x divided by minus 4x raised to the power of 2 will give you minus 4x. Because this x will only affect x squared, and this x divide this x squared, it will give you only one x. So that is 4x. Then 4x multiplied by x will give you minus 4x squared. Then minus 4x multiplied by minus 1 will give you plus 4x. Then you subtract again. So minus 4x squared minus 4x squared will give you 0. Then 3x minus plus 4x will give you minus x. Then you bring your plus 8. Then x divided by minus x will give you negative 1. Because if this x divides this x, it will give you 1. Then you bring your negative. So minus 1 multiplied by x will give you minus x. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will give you plus 1. So you subtract. Minus x minus x will give you 0. Then plus 8 minus plus 1 will give you plus 7. So this is our remainder. Our remainder is equals to 7. If you find this my video very interesting, don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next episode. Bye.